Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about the UK visa application process for the year 2023. This is an exciting topic to discuss that has been highly requested by many of you. If you are planning to visit or migrate to the UK, this video is for you. And I'll take you through the step-by-step process of the overall visa application. Now, before we dive into the details, let's first understand the general process of applying for a UK visa. Now, this process can be complex and time-consuming, but with the right information and preparation, it becomes much easier. And I am here to help you. As we jump into the process, remember, no question is too silly. The more you understand about this process, the smoother it will go. So let's get started. There are many different types of UK visas, each with its own set of requirements. The first step is to understand the type of visa you need. The UK offers various types of visas, including visit visa, student visa, work visas, family visas, and among others. Click the I button at the top right corner to check out my video to get better understanding of different visa categories and their respective criteria. Check that now. Each visa type has specific requirements and eligibility criteria if you have looked at that video. It's essential to choose the right visa category that suits you and your purpose visiting or staying in the UK. Once you have decided on the visa type, the next step is to check your eligibility. You can find the detailed eligibility criteria on the official UK government website or speak with one of our team members for thorough guidance. It's essential to ensure that you meet all the requirements before proceeding with the application. So book the call now. After confirming your eligibility, it's time to gather all the necessary documents for your visa application. The exact documents you need will depend on the type of visa you are applying for. Generally, you will need your passport size photographs, application form, proof of funds, accommodation details, and any other supporting documents that might be relevant to your visa category. Make sure to double check the requirements to avoid any delays or rejections. I have seen many times many applications get rejected because of the minor mistakes. To make sure you are not making any mistakes and your application gets approved, get our assistance. Speak to my team. The link, as I said earlier, is in the description section below. Once you have the requirement documents, the next step is to fill out the visa application form. The UK visa application form can generally be completed online through the UK government official website. Take your time to fill in all the information accurately and honestly. Any incorrect or misleading information can lead to the rejection of your application. After completing this form, you will be required to pay the application fees. The fees amount will vary depending on the type of visa you are applying for and the duration of your stay. In addition to the application fees, the majority of applicants are also required to pay the Immigration Health Surcharge, called also IHS. This provides you access to the National Health Service throughout your stay. The cost of IHS varies and certain exemptions do apply. Generally, the IHS for a UK application costs £624 per year for most applicants. However, students and those on youth mobility scheme or other visa types were charged a reduced rate of £470 per year. To calculate the fee depending on your visa type, we have developed a UK government fees calculator. You may find it very useful. The link of this fee calculator is in the description section below. Visit that now to calculate the cost of your proposed visa application. Also, refer to the link to the government website, which is again in the description section below now, for the latest revised fees for different categories. The payment is typically made online through a secure payment gateway. Keep the payment receipt as proof of your payment for future reference. After payment, if you need a breather, don't worry. You can save the application, log out and return later. All you need is the link sent to your registered email. Once the fees is paid, you will need to schedule an appointment to provide your biometrics. This includes your fingerprints and a photograph. Biometric appointments are generally done at a visa application center known as VAC or through a designated service provider. It's important to attend the application appointment on the scheduled date and time. Now, there is one final step, that is interview, and that depends on the type of visa you are opting for. In some cases, you may be required to attend the visa interview. This is more common for long-term or work visas. The interview is conducted to assess your intention, your credibility, and eligibility. Prepare well for the interview by researching your visa category and be ready to answer questions about your travel plans, work or study in detail, and other relevant information. Now, if you are feeling overwhelmed or about your visa interview or the application in general, we are here to help. We have a team of experts to assist you with this preparation. Start your preparation with us by connecting with us through our website. The link is in description section below now if you want to book a call. And last and final is, after completing all the necessary steps, all you need to do is click and final submit button, and you need to upload all your documents on the UK government website. Voila! You have now applied for the UK visa, and remember, the journey might seem challenging, but with patience and accuracy, you will navigate it like a pro. We hope you found this information helpful, and if you have further questions or topics you had like to cover us in future videos, please let us know in the comment section below now. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your visa application.